The coconut products production line is impressive for its efficient, large-scale conversion of coconuts into diverse products using a blend of traditional methods and advanced automation. Coconuts are harvested for large-scale processing, primarily in tropical countries such as the Philippines, Indonesia, India, Sri Lanka, and Thailand. These countries manage coconut plantations with regular weeding, fertilization, and pest control to maintain healthy trees. Harvesting is typically done manually by skilled climbers using ropes or cutting tools, although mechanical methods like hydraulic lifts are also used in advanced plantations. In regions where coconut plantations are near rivers, massive quantities of coconuts are often transported to processing factories via boats. These boats travel directly to factory piers where they dock and unload their cargo. At the factory pier, the coconuts are offloaded using cranes, conveyors, or manual labor, depending on the size and equipment of the facility. This direct delivery system minimizes handling and transportation time, ensuring that the coconuts reach the processing facility quickly and in good condition. Large quantities of coconuts are efficiently managed using a combination of conveyors and manual labor. Workers stationed along these conveyors inspect and sort the coconuts, removing any that are damaged or do not meet quality standards. The sorted coconuts are then transported by conveyors to various processing areas within the facility. Here, they undergo dehusking, deshelling, and further processing into products like coconut oil, milk, and water. After extracting the coconut flesh, workers manually clean it, removing any remaining husk fibers, shell fragments, and impurities to ensure it is free of contaminants before further processing. The manually cleaned coconut flesh is then placed on conveyor belts and transported to automated washing stations. High-pressure sprays thoroughly clean the flesh, removing finer impurities and ensuring high hygiene standards. The clean flesh is shredded or grated into smaller pieces using specialized machines, producing fine shreds for desiccated coconut or larger chunks as needed. For coconut milk and oil production, the shredded flesh is mechanically pressed using hydraulic or screw presses to extract the milk or cream, which is then further processed to separate the oil. To produce desiccated coconut, the flesh is typically shredded into fine pieces, while for coconut chips, it is sliced into larger, thin pieces. The shredded flesh is dried to a low moisture content to extend shelf life while preserving flavor and nutritional value. Coconut chips are dried until they achieve a crisp texture, with careful control over the drying process to ensure consistent quality. Packaging for coconut milk and water involves a highly automated system designed to handle large volumes efficiently while maintaining product quality. After extraction and processing, the coconut milk or water is pumped into automated filling machines equipped with multiple heads to fill hundreds of containers simultaneously with precise volume consistency. Sealed and labeled containers are grouped and placed into boxes or crates by automated case packers configured for various packaging needs. These boxes are then stacked onto pallets by automated palletizers, wrapped with stretch film for protection and labeled for shipping. The process of making natural, organic coconut sugar differs significantly. It involves harvesting sap from coconut palm trees, where skilled harvesters climb trees using special knives and cutting tools. Once incisions are made, sap drips slowly from the cut flower stalks into collection containers attached to the tree. The coconut sap undergoes heating and evaporation to remove excess moisture, resulting in a thick, syrup-like consistency. This concentrated sap is then cooled and stirred until it crystallizes into granules, forming natural, organic coconut sugar. After crystallization, the coconut sugar is transported to a factory for final processing and distribution. It is sifted to ensure uniform granule size and remove impurities, then weighed and packed using automated packaging machines into bags, jars, or bulk containers based on distribution needs. This efficient and large-scale process transforms coconuts into a diverse array of products, meeting global demand with high standards of quality and sustainability. The industry's ability to integrate natural methods with modern technology highlights its significance and innovation in the global market.